Discover the UniFormation GK3 Pro, a next-generation 16K Resin LCD 3D printer engineered for professionals who demand exceptional precision, reliability, and outstanding print quality. Designed for engineers, designers, artists, dentists, jewelers, manufacturers, and advanced makers, the GK3 Pro combines ultra-high resolution with an advanced 385nm COB light source to deliver professional-grade results for a wide range of applications. In this video, we take an in-depth look at the UniFormation GK3 Pro and explore its cutting-edge features, including a 9.6-inch 16K high-resolution LCD screen, precision optical system, advanced COB light source, and high-performance resin printing capabilities that produce incredibly detailed models with smooth surfaces and outstanding dimensional accuracy. Whether you're printing highly detailed miniatures, engineering prototypes, dental models, jewelry patterns, collectibles, medical components, product prototypes, or artistic creations, the GK3 Pro is designed to produce consistent, high-quality results with remarkable precision. The large 9.6-inch 16K monochrome LCD delivers exceptional image clarity, allowing every layer to reproduce fine textures, sharp edges, intricate details, and complex geometries with incredible accuracy. Combined with the advanced 385nm COB light source, the printer ensures uniform light distribution across the entire build area, improving print consistency while reducing exposure variations. Key features: professional 16K Resin LCD 3D printer, large 9.6-inch monochrome LCD display, ultra-high resolution printing, advanced 385nm COB light source, uniform light distribution, exceptional dimensional accuracy, high detail surface reproduction, professional-grade resin printing, smooth layer consistency, fast and reliable curing performance, stable mechanical structure, high-quality optical system, user-friendly touchscreen interface, excellent print reliability, compatible with a wide range of photopolymer resins, ideal for engineering prototypes, perfect for miniatures and collectible figures, suitable for dental, medical, and jewelry applications, optimized for product development and manufacturing, professional workflow for creators and businesses. The integrated 385nm COB light source provides highly uniform illumination, helping every layer cure consistently across the entire printing platform. This advanced lighting technology improves print accuracy, enhances surface quality, and contributes to greater reliability during long print sessions. The robust mechanical design minimizes vibration and maintains stable movement throughout the printing process, ensuring excellent repeatability and consistent results for both small detailed models and larger production jobs. The GK3 Pro is an excellent choice for professionals working in industrial design, engineering, product development, healthcare, education, jewelry manufacturing, tabletop gaming, animation, and commercial resin printing. Its combination of 16K resolution, advanced optical technology, and professional-grade construction makes it an ideal solution for users seeking exceptional detail, faster production, and reliable performance in every print. Whether you are producing precision prototypes, manufacturing custom products, creating highly detailed figurines, or expanding your digital fabrication capabilities, the UniFormation GK3 Pro delivers the performance, accuracy, and reliability required for professional resin 3D printing. Subscribe to the channel for more reviews, demonstrations, and the latest innovations in resin 3D printing, additive manufacturing, engineering technology, digital fabrication, and professional production equipment.